In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Google Sheets. Being able to quickly adjust font size is really useful for making your spreadsheet easier to read and more professional. You can enlarge important headings, shrink less important details, or just make everything more comfortable on the eyes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to select the cells whose text you want to resize. Open your Google Sheet, then click once on a single cell to select just that cell. If you want to apply the same font size to a group of cells, click on one cell, hold down your mouse, and drag across the row or down the column to highlight a range. You'll see the selection area become shaded when it's active. If you want to change the font size for the entire sheet at once, look for the small empty square in the very top left corner of the grid, just above row number 1 and to the left of column A. Clicking that box selects every cell in the spreadsheet in one go. Once your cells are selected, look toward the top of the screen at the main toolbar. You'll see a box that shows a number, like 10 or 12. That number represents the current font size of the selected cells. This is the font size tool you'll be using. If you don't see it right away, it's usually near the font name dropdown and the bold, italic, and underline buttons. Now let's change the size. You have a few different ways to do it, depending on what you prefer. One option is to click the small drop-down arrow next to the number. This opens a list of preset font sizes. Simply click the size you want, and the text in your selected cells will update immediately. Another option is to use the plus and minus buttons next to the font size box. Click the plus button to gradually increase the size step by step, or click the minus button to make it smaller. This is helpful if you're not sure what exact size you want and just want to nudge it up or down until it looks right. Finally, if you know the exact size you need, you can click directly inside the font size box, delete the current number, and type in your own value. Press Enter, and the selected cells will change to that specific size. That's all there is to it. By selecting your cells, finding the font size box in the toolbar, and choosing a size using one of these methods, you can quickly control how your text looks in Google Sheets.